Hey, one rental at a time, family. This is Jason Pritchard from Fresno, California. Zuber and I have made a commitment to get you guys some more kind of before and after content, progress videos of some of the projects I'm working on here in Fresno. I'm standing in front of a flip that we have in Southeast Fresno, and I want to walk you guys through just kind of our thought process with these projects and my thoughts on the market and what we did with this house. So check this one out. Guys, so here's the outside of the house. We are in Southeast Fresno. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath house that we purchased from a seller just over 2 months ago. We bought it with a tenant in place, and we actually paid a little bit more than what I would like to have paid. We paid $225 for this house, but here's the reason why I did that. The house in and of itself is in pretty good shape. All the major systems are working. The roof is salvageable. You can't really see it, but there's an AC on there that we were able to salvage. Even though the windows aren't new, they're dual pane, and we're gonna salvage all the windows and sliders, just give them a good cleaning. The garage door was good. Electrical system was good. Water heater was good. So we basically just stuck to a cosmetic rehab on this house. And so when you come inside, you can see what we did. Basically did flooring, paint, a new kitchen, upgrades to the bathrooms, and basically just making this a nice, affordable starter home for whoever the end buyer is going to be on this one. Now, my thoughts on the market are that we are going to experience some softening on the higher end of these price points. And what I consider higher end in our market is probably like 750, 800 and above. And even anything in the mid-range that's selling for 500,000, 600,000, the directive to my team is we're going to be staying away from projects like that and only focusing on bread and butter deals. This is what I would consider a bread and butter deal right here. It's something that we can buy below the median price. The median price in Fresno County right now is close to 400 grand. We picked this one up for 225, and we're going to put about 35, maybe $40,000 into it and sell it for 325. On these types of flips, I'm looking to make anywhere from a 12 to 15% cash on cash return based on our total investment. And this one just meets those numbers. It's not a home run deal, right? We're not making 6 figures on this deal, but it's one that pays the bill, keeps our guys busy, and just keeps our machine operating and moving, right? We need singles, doubles, along with, those grand slams and home run deals too, right? So hopefully you guys like this content. Feel free to reach out to me if you've got any questions about my thought process on the market or what we did with this project.